Sure. Yeah. Testing 1, 2, test 2.
Good morning again, Mr. Chairman, councillors, interested parties. It is almost 10:30. I do apologise that we had to reconvene. There were some technological issues that meant that we couldn't proceed as planned at 10 o'clock. I would like to thank our technology staff, support staff, who've been able to fix that particular problem, and we're now ready to proceed. My name is David Smithette. I am the legal advisor. Today is the 23rd of October 2020. This is a sitting of Babergh District Council's licensing subcommittee, and the purpose of the hearing today was to review a premises licence under section 51 of the Licensing Act 2003 in respect of the Caffeine Lounge, 14 Boreham Gate Shopping Centre, Sudbury, CO10 2EG. This hearing was adjourned from the 1st of October, and prior to the sitting this morning, the subcommittee was made aware of an application to adjourn today's review hearing. That adjournment focused on disclosure issues which had not been resolved in time for all the relevant information and evidence to be before all interested parties. In considering that application to adjourn, the subcommittee, as always, has had regard to the Licensing Act 2003, Hearing Regulations 2005, and in particular Regulation 12, which gives them the power to extend time if it's in the public interest and if there are further matters that need to be attended to. And the subcommittee have taken the decision that in these particular circumstances they would accede to the application to adjourn. However, given that this is the second adjournment of an important review process and application, they have asked whether certain deadlines can be put in place with regards to ensure that all parties are ready and prepared for the adjourned hearing, which will take place on Thursday, the 12th of November 2020 at 10 a.m. The reason for the deadlines, as I say, is the subcommittee want to ensure that all relevant parties provide all relevant evidence, and any requests for further information are dealt with in good time to, if we can, proceed on the next occasion. The first deadline or first direction that the subcommittee would ask can be put in place is that any further evidence is lodged with the licensing officer for Babergh District Council by 4 p.m. on Friday the 30th of October. And the second deadline, if I can put it that way, is that any further requests for evidence and or information and applications for adjournment should be lodged with the licensing officer for Babergh District Council by 4 p.m. on Friday the 6th of November 2020. Those are the directions that the subcommittee would wish to have in place. They would hope that that will enable the hearing to proceed on Thursday the 12th of November 2020 at 10 a.m. Those are the submissions that I would wish to make, and in those circumstances I would ask that today's review hearing be adjourned accordingly.
Okay, well, thank you everybody. Thank you, David. Bring it to a close then.
Mr. Chairman, I've got my hand up.
Oh, Peter.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yes, I mean, I'm very disappointed that we've got to this stage again, Mr. Chairman. I understand from what the officers have said, and I know we have to go down this road, but it's the second time. The one thing you didn't actually tell us, who actually asked for this second adjournment, and actually who asked for the first one. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I do apologise, Councillor. the request for the first adjournment and the request for the current adjournment were both made on behalf of the licence holder. The legal advisors for the licence holder made those requests. I'm sorry I didn't make that clear.
No, thank you very much. That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Peter. Any other comments, Sue?
No, thank you, Chairman.
Okay. All right. I'll bring this to an end and look forward to seeing you all on the 12th.
Thank you.
Thank you.